Hello everyone, my dear children. Today in this video we are going to discuss class 9 CBSE exercise number 2.2 question number 4. The question is asking that find the zero of the following polynomial in its case. As already we have learned that if the polynomial is linear polynomial, we'll have only one zero, and the polynomial is quadratic, will have the maximum two zeros, and the polynomial is cubic, will have maximum three zeros. And also we have learned, especially we are going to learn here linear polynomial. So linear polynomial is in the form of ax plus b, as already we know, which means if we want to find the zero of this one, we have to find zero of this polynomial. Zero of this linear polynomial is given by minus b by a. Minus b is nothing but constant term. In this linear polynomial, b is the constant term. Okay, so minus constant term divided by coefficient of x. So this is the thing we have already discussed in the theory part. Okay, so this is the linear polynomial. If it is linear polynomial, how to find the zero? We'll have only one zero. Okay, how to find that zero now? Minus b by a. B is nothing but constant term, okay, and a is nothing but coefficient of x. Okay, so children, don't forget. So first you have to identify whether the given polynomial is linear or quadratic. And another method, if you don't want to apply this one, suppose if you have forgotten this one, what you are going to do is, whatever the polynomial given, it is linear polynomial now, we want to find the zeros of this polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial is nothing but x value we want to find out. Okay, x value we want to find out. When the x value is applied in the polynomial should become 0. Understand? That time that x value, the value of the variable is called 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so let us try now. From this equation, from this polynomial, if I want to find the x, means how to find? We should transfer all the number to the another side. But this is a polynomial. This is not an equation. So what you are going to do is, you have to consider, let the given polynomial consider as 0. Why I consider 0 now? The polynomial should become 0. Compulsory should become 0 now. Understand? If we know the x value, when the x value is applied here, polynomial should become 0. Understand? That x value, what do you call? 0 of the polynomial. So whatever the polynomial given, you consider as 0 now. Then you want to find the x now. One by one transfer this side. B will be transferred this side, minus b will come. Then I want to find the x now. Between this, what is the sign? Multiplied. So minus b by a, like this. Okay, fair or not, children? Okay, like this we can find the 0. So this will be the 0 of the polynomial. If you apply here now, a into minus b by a plus b, compulsory 0 will come. A cancel, minus b plus b, what will come now? 0 will come. So like this we can find the 0 of the linear polynomial. Okay, and first one, the question is p of x is equal to x plus 5. So for this polynomial, px means polynomial in one variable. What is the variable now? X. So for this polynomial we want to find a 0. Okay, so what you are going to do, let p of x is equal to 0. What is the p of x now? X plus 5 is equal to 0. Why we are learning this one? In the remainder theorem and factor theorem, this will be used. Okay, if we want to find if we want to divide any polynomial by linear factor, linear polynomial, we must know the 0 of the linear factor. Okay, so now what will come? I want to find the x now. 5 transferring this side, what will come? Minus 5. So this minus 5 is called 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so let us try another sum now. So I will do the third sum. P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So let us see this one. Let p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Sorry, p of x is equal to 0 now. So p of x means 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. First 5 transfer this side. 2x is equal to 5. then x is equal to, sorry, minus 5. We want to find the x now, 2 transferring this side, minus 5 by 2. Okay, so like this we can find the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so here before the x there is no coefficient. Here before the x coefficient 2 is there, so it will come by down. Okay, that one you should keep in mind. If there is no number, minus 5 will be the answer. If there is number, that number should come down. Okay, let us try some more numbers now, some more sums. P of x is equal to 3x. Here you must know, if I want to apply the 0 formula, minus b by a should come, but b is the constant term is not there, you can consider as 0 also. Answer will be, what is that, minus b by a, 0 by 3. 0 by 3 means what will come, 0 itself, so 0 will be 0 here itself. Okay, you must know. So let us consider now, let the given polynomial p of x is equal to 0. What is the p of x now? 3x is equal to 0. I want to find the x now. 0 by 3. 0 by 3 means what is answer? 0. So x is equal to 0 now. It is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Let us try one more sum now. Same thing. Sixth sum. P of x is equal to ax, where a should not be equal to 0. If a is 0 means not a polynomial. Okay. So now that is called 0 polynomial. But now let us see. Let p of x is equal to 0. What is the p of x now? Ax is equal to 0. I want to find the x now. X is equal to 0 by a. 0 by a means what is the answer now? 0. X is equal to 0. So this polynomial, what you must know here now, children, if they are in the linear polynomial, in by seeing this sum and this sum, what you can learn, in the linear polynomial, if there is no constant at all, in the linear polynomial, if there is no constant term, then for that polynomial 0 will be 0 itself. Okay, so this is the concept we are learning here now. So, and the last one you can do, children. So that's all for this is the exercise number 2.2, question number 4. Hope you like my video. Really, if you like my video, please share it as much as possible so that it can be reached to the maximum number of people